Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix your Windows lessons will expire soon on Windows 11. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all make sure that first of all check it your window is activate. So after that, the first method is that first of all going to your right click on a start menu and go to your task manager. After that, find out a Windows Explorer. Now here is a Windows Explorer. Right click, click on a end task. Now you can see that everything is gone. So don't worry. Go to your file section, click on run new task, and after that type explorer.exe. Press OK button. Now after it, close it. After this tab, open a search box and type a cmd and open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator. After that, type a command is slmgr space that rearm and press enter. Now you can see that component completion successfully. Click on OK button and close it. After doing this step, change the group policies. So search, going to your search options and type a gpedit.msc. So open a group policies. After doing this step, go to your computer configurations, go to your administrators templates and expand it. After doing this set, find out a Windows component and expand it. After doing this set, find out a Windows update and expand it. After doing this set, open a legacy policies, and after doing this set, find out a no auto restart with logged on users for schedule automatic update installations. Open it and click on enable, click on apply and OK button. After doing this step, close it, and after that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this step your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.